so hard.
Mm-hmm. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today, we're duck hunting. We got a sick mallard feed we found, and possibly some geese, some smaller geese, and some bigger geese. But there has been some ducks, actually just birds in general. There's been a lot of birds in general flying around the area. The ducks were in here a lot last night, and then 2 nights before, the ducks and some geese were in here, so we'll see what we can pull in this morning. We're out here. We got 8 shooters. We're running an A-frame and then 4 layouts. We couldn't get an extra A-frame, so we got 1 A-frame set up, and then we got 2 layouts on each side. We're running 20 dozen dive bombs today. We got 13 dozen normal V2Fs, and then we got some black and whites, and then we also got some mallards and some widgeon, some duck ones. So those should be able to bring in, should be enough. We are making a big wall. We got a northwest wind here. It is a bit chilly. It says 27 degrees outside right now, and she's blowing. We got about 14-mile-an-hour winds right now. It's going to pick up to 20, 25. It was snowing. It has been snowing for a while. We got a lot of snow. So it's going to snow again today. Hopefully we can get some birds just to do it dirty in the snow when it's blizzard and it could get greasy. We're going to finish getting set up here and get you guys when we're nice and cozy in the blind and ready to shoot some birds. Oh yeah, a fistful of green right there.
What's that? Right here, right above us. Right above
Oh yeah.
Coming in out.
Shoot! Oh! No, I'm kidding. Just kidding. Don't. Wait for it to swing over. Shoot that, Dad. Widgeon!
Yeah!
Take him! Oh, I already did.
There's another duck. Oh wait, that's a lot. Yeah.
No way, he's gonna take it. He's taking it.
Go get him, Jet! Scare him! Scare him, Jet!
Shoot! Let him come in. Don't look up. Don't look up.
You gonna drop these 5 though?
I don't know. I don't know what this other dude's doing. What are these?
Let them land. Let
them land. Let them land and then this
Let 'em
other
land?
group. Yeah.
Let him land.
Let them land and then put the other group.
Unless they don't like the mojos. Yep, we're good.
Call it on
Maybe
the
not,
second
maybe not,
group
maybe not,
coming in,
maybe
Owen.
not.
Yeah, we'll call it on the second group.
Maybe not. Maybe not.
I can still shoot to the right. See, they land at the top. What did I say, boys?
Oh, yeah.
Bunch right here, right.
You guys don't shoot these
You guys can shoot the
You guys can shoot the left.
right.
Call
I'll
us
shoot
on
you on the right.
Call us on these
Yep.
ones.
They're gonna swing one more time, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the ducks are gonna do it now.
They are.
I'm not even right. I don't think he was shot me. Short stopping us. Call at him, boys, hard.
Oh, get him in tight. Where the fuck is
Get him
that
in
shot?
on the right here. Okay, here we go.
What?
Okay, we're gonna shoot those. Dad, when you think you can go, you call.
Alright.
Where is it?
We're gonna shoot these ones on the right here.
Yep.
Just wait, let them land. I think we should take these 5. Dad.
Ooh, no,
Yeah, are they coming in?
No, they're not. No,
No.
they're not. No, they're not. We gotta.
I can shoot this one over here though if you want me to. The ducks might come yet, guys.
Wait a
The
minute,
ducks
they
might come.
Might come. Just hang on.
Ducks might come yet. Call the ducks. Oh, the ducks are eating those geese.
Yeah, they are.
Oh yeah. Call the ducks. I can shoot this one goose though. There we
Yeah.
go, see? Ducks like it major.
I could probably shoot that other one, to be honest.
Yeah, you
That
want
bitch way out there.
If they all get down, then we'll shoot this.
Yeah.
This one to the right, I can pummel him.
I think I could hit that one way out there too.
Yeah.
That one's
More coming. Yeah.
Just get it. Kill it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Run to the right! Shoot him!
Oh, yours is trying to get up over there. Hold on. Hey, we can't let that one on the right try to get up.
I'm killing him.
Yeah, kill him. Put him out. You'll get one in him. Didn't flinch.
You gotta get closer.
Never shot with my right. Look at his neck. Has he got a ring
It's got a
neck?
little white on it.
Is that a ring neck all the way around? This is from Gregory Fitzgerald III. Oakley, look.
What do we got going on here, Oakley? Give us a little update.
Too many ducks.
Too many?
It's cold.
It is pretty chilly out here. I will
No,
have to.
it's more than pretty chilly.
Yeah, it's blowing. It's cold. The snow's out, but that's not a bad thing. There's blood on my camera. Oh, we've had some big groups do it.
I think we should take these 5. Yeah, see what? That's exactly what happened to me too. I can shoot this one over here though. The ducks might come yet, guys. The ducks might come. Ducks might come yet. All the ducks. The ducks are all the ducks. I can see this one. They all get down. They'll shoot. We'll shoot this one right now. See what these ducks do. Just wait on the ducks and see what happens. Yeah, I can shoot this hand out.
How did that goose not go down?
I don't know.
What about that one on the right there? You shoot him again?
Alright, let's go.
Sweet. I think they should kill him. No?
If not, we're gonna.
Guys, shoot him! We got one.
Yeah, we got it. Right?
Yep, let him win. See how much closer they get?
Oh, yeah.
Wanna cut him?
Got him.
Cut him!
Are you kidding me?
Nice shot. No, don't keep shooting. Let him come around. Yeah, see,
Are you
I only
kidding
got one shell out.
No. God dang it. Wait, what the heck?
They're super far, but if you want to shoot, we can. Should we take him, Rogan?
Oh, we could take that one
Rogan,
that
should
dropped
we
down.
take?
Yeah, that dropped down. Let's
Rogan, let's go.
Safety's frozen. There you go. Safety was frozen.